Hi everyone, my name is Jay Murphy from Trionia, and I'm going to walk through how to create your own set of channel definitions in GA4. This is a really useful feature and it was just recently introduced as of the recording of this video, so I'm going to walk through how you can set that up. So the first thing you'll notice is we've set up GA4 for this client just a little while ago as they prepped for the transition. And you'll notice that in general, we've got our channels set up pretty nicely. We're seeing the data that we would expect to see, but we have got an issue right here where some of our traffic is ending up in this unassigned channel. And we do want to clean that up so our reporting looks better. So what we're going to do is we'll filter just to our unassigned traffic. And then we're going to add a secondary dimension of our session, source, and medium. So we select those here. And we can see we have some technical issues that we're going to have to go into in some more detail. So not set and these Pantheon strip, that's with our hosting company. Those are technical pieces, but our magazine traffic, and this is actually magazine as well, and this is a newspaper, so it's still a paid periodical. This is traffic that we're going to want to put all into one channel. We also have these QR links that are out there. We may need to move those into the magazine channel as well, or we might want to keep them separate. But either way, we have a good idea now of how we can set up our channel. So let's go into the admin side of our analytics and set up our new channel. So we've got our admin open up here, and under our property and data settings, we can find our channel groups right here. So we click on channel groups, and in here we could just create a new channel group, but normally it's great to start with your predefined channel group and then just add or modify the channels that you've already got. So we're going to copy to create a new channel group, and we'll just call this channel group. And in here we'll leave the rest of these alone. We might want to go in and tweak some of them, but for right now we'll leave them alone, and we'll add a new channel. And this new channel we'll call magazine. And now we have to add our conditions. And so we know that our medium condition, we'll use a regex. It'll just make it easier. So we know we've got magazine. We had that EX. We had newspaper as well. And let's go ahead and add our QR links into this channel as well. We can always modify it later. So we'll apply this, and so now this is our regular expression for that. And if you want to learn more about regular expressions, I'll put a link in the blog article. And now we'll save our channel, and so now we've got this new channel defined right down here. We'll save our new channel groups. And so now we've got this one defined as of today. We go back to our report, refresh it. And so now before we have our session default channel group, we can choose the new channel group we just defined, and there is our magazine traffic showing up properly. And again, we've got to solve our technical issues to clean up the rest of our assigned traffic. But this is great in that we'll be able to see, as we do more magazine campaigns, we'll be able to see all of that traffic in a single channel. And then, of course, dive into the details of source and medium and add content if we wanted to. So I hope that helps, and definitely let me know if you've got questions or would like to see other similar videos. Thank you very much.